Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the third chapter, production and cost. Under this chapter, we are going to discuss about what is the meaning of production or give the meaning of production. Production means creation of utility and exchange value in a resource or wealth. Creation of utility and exchange value in a resource or wealth is called production. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಷ್ಟಿಗುಣ ಮತ್ತು ವಿನಿಮಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸುವುದನ್ನ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಆಧಾರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ raw materials into finished goods. The process of conversion of raw materials into finished goods is called production ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನಂತ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ addition of utility and exchange value in a resource or wealth is called production. Under the production, what we are using? Inputs ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸೋದು ಯಾವ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಲೇಬರ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್. ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಲೇಬರ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಏನು? ನೇಮ್ ದ 4 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ the 4 factors of production are land, labor, capital, organization. These are called factors of production ಅಂತ. Next, production function ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದಿದೆ. production function. The technological, the relationship between the physical relationship between input and output under given technological condition. The relationship between physical inputs and physical output under given technological condition is called a production function. What is production function? Write down its formula ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. The physical relationship between physical input and physical output under given technological condition is called production function. Production function can be written by QP is equal to F of R, L, K, O. This is the formula of production function. QP is quantity of production. F means functional relation. R means land. L means labor. K means capital. O represents organization. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ QP ಅಂದ್ರೆ quantity of production. F represents functional relation. R represents land. Why we give land? R ಅಂದ್ರೆ land remuneration is rent. Labor. L represents labor. K represents capital. O represents organization. The relationship between physical inputs and physical output under given technological condition is called a production function. The alternative way of production function is production function with isoquant ಅಂತ. production function with isoquant. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು. ಇದು isoquant. production function with isoquant. ಏನು isoquant ಅಂದ್ರೆ? what is isoquant? The set of all possible combinations of two inputs. The set of all possible combinations of two inputs which yield same maximum possible level of output is called isoquant. A set of all possible combinations of two inputs which yield same maximum possible level of output is called an isoquant. It is a alternative way of production function. An isoquant can be represented with the help of an isoquant can be explained with the help of the following diagram. In the above diagram, labor is measured along the OX axis, capital is measured along the OY axis. Capital is measured along the OY axis. Q is equal to Q1, Q is equal to Q2, Q is equal to Q3 represents 3 isoquant curves. Here there are two combinations. There are two combinations of land and labor and capital. Labor and capital. One is L1 K2, L2 K3. These are the two combinations. At any level of these combinations, output becomes same. Output becomes same. There are two combinations. Nodi, ಇಲ್ಲಿ L1 K2. L1 ಇದು L1 K2 ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. L2 K1. L2 K1. There are two combinations. At any combinations, the production becomes same. The production becomes same. So the producer is indifferent among these two combinations. If we increase the labor and capital, if we increase the labor L3 and capital L2 and capital K2, then we get higher isoquant curve. Higher isoquant curve, that is Q is equal to Q2. Nodi, if we increase the labor from L2 to L3 and capital from K1 to K3, K1 to K2, we get a higher isoquant curve, that is Q is equal to Q2. Q is equal to Q2. Andre, what we increase, when we increase the labor and capital, we can get more output, more level of output, so we can offer higher isoquant curve. If marginal products are positive, marginal products are positive, if we increase the level of output, we can increase the one input by decreasing another input. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದೇ isoquant curve. ಯಾವುದು ಇದು? isoquant curve. This is the explanation of isoquant curve.